make money online by uploading photos on the internet? What if I told you you can make money online by uploading photos on the internet? And what if I told you there's a big company and a big website that's going to help you to do all the marketing for you, whereby you literally don't have to do anything. You don't have to do the marketing work at all. What you need to do is literally just upload a photo to this website and they're going to help you to sell all your photos. And if you are interested, just head over to Google and type in. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Mustafa. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, how to make some supplemental income online as well. So don't forget to subscribe if that is your jam, and don't forget to smash the like button for this video as well, because it does help me to reach more people out there, right? So let's dive right into our content. So the website that I talk about is called Foap.com. So just head over to Google, type Foap.com. You're going to land over to this particular page over here. So for your information, Foap.com is a selling and buying photos and videos website whereby you can sell and buy and make money online only by uploading photos. Before I explain everything about Foap, I just want to draw attention to this particular video here. Let's take a look.
Worth cash. You've made what? More than $300 off this.
Right.
Deanna's selling her sports, nature, even breakfast photos through a free app called Foap. Big brands buy them to use in their ad campaign.
That's it. So Diana, one of the Foap user, she literally just sell her breakfast photos on Foap.com and make money. That's pretty powerful, right? So Foap.com is literally one of the easiest way on how to make money. And what you need to do, literally just uploading your photos and start to make money. And the best part is Foap is going to sell all your photos for you, right? So that is so powerful. So take a look at here. This website has also working with Nivea, Kraft Canes, Volvo, and etc. So many big company, right? So this is pretty legit company, and this videos over here was uploaded by ABC News, which is they have 9.4 million subscribers, guys. So this is the real ABC News channel for YouTube. Okay, so if you're interested, just head over to For Creator and click on the sell your content over here. All right, so for your information, it also available on App Store for iPhone if you're using iPhone, and Google Play as well if you are using Android mobile. All right, so it's literally simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. All right, so when an agency or someone who are looking for a great photos, they're going to head over to Foap and make money. When an agency or someone who are interested to buy photos, they're going to head over to Foap and buy the photos, and you're going to make money. So the percentage of the commission is going to split by 2, which is Foap going to take 50% and the rest is for you. For example, if the picture was sold by 100 by Foap, and you're going to make $50 and Foap going to take the rest. So it's pretty fair because the picture was coming from you, and Foap is going to do all the rest. All right, so you might wondering, so how powerful the website is, because you're literally going to rely on Foap in order to sell all your content online, right? So take a look at this one. So this is, I have the Similar Web application installed in my Google Chrome. For your information, Similar Web is a very sophisticated tools in order to determine, dictate, and examine some website, any website that available on the internet, in order to dictate how many visitors, the average duration per visitors, and etc. Right? So as you can tell, this website is pretty big website, guys. It has almost 100,000 monthly visits. So this is a very powerful. So imagine if you only get 0.001% out of 100,000 people and buy all your photos, so you can make ton of cash. That is really powerful. And take a look at the average visit duration is 25 minutes. Average means that when people head over to Foap.com, people will more likely spend at least 25 minutes on average, right? 25 minutes, that is a very long period of time. So people will really take seriously about Foap.com, about this website. And this is also something that could increase the chances for people buy your photos and your videos as well, right? And another interesting part about Foap, it also has the active mission over here. So take a look at new mission over here. It's literally going to pay you even more money. This one is 1,000 for the first price, 4 days left, right? This one 500 reward. this one 300 for the reward. So this is literally a new mission whereby you can participate and earn some extra cash, right? So if you're interested, just head over to Foap, get registered, and just join one of these mission over here. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. So I want to give you a very powerful tips here, right? So about this mission, you need to read about the mission. You need to know what type of pictures that they require in order to win the cash, right? So just take a look all this picture over here. So they literally asking for some pictures, but take a look at all these pictures. This is just an ordinary pictures, guys, right? So nothing special about this picture. Okay, so you need to read this carefully. So so many people photos on the internet, and will enough. Let's get more photos into mix and find out which are the cutest. So I think the key here is the cutest. All right, so the cutest means that, come on guys, cats and dogs are already cute, right? They are already cute. So the thing is, you might want to try to capture a picture or a moment. That is, I think, the key point, because they need some cutes, right? The cutest. So maybe if you could find some sort of the cat was really angry about the dog or something like that, right? So I just make stuff up. I want to give you some idea. That is what we call a cute. I mean, the cute moment, not a cute picture, right? Of course, cats and dogs are really cute. So you need to stand out among the crowd. Take a look all these pictures, guys. This is just an ordinary pictures. Come on, this one. This is an ordinary picture. Okay, so you might want to think outside the box. That is going to make you stand out, and that's going to make you win. Okay, so that is the tips. So if you're interested, just click on the sell your content and start to sign up with Foap and start to make money. You'll be able to make money by uploading photos. So that is number one. So now I'm going to give you a bonus, right? So the bonus is head over to canva.com, right? So type in Canva, you're going to land over to this page. You can simply sign in by your Facebook account as well. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to waste your time with that. Okay, so the most powerful about this about Canva is actually an online platform for people who are not really familiar with Photoshop and Illustrator for editing their photos. So this is pretty handy and a friendly user for a newbie. So but now I'm not going to teach you how to do the editing and stuff, but instead, I'm going to give you a bonus whereby this is the very powerful tool whereby you don't even have to capture or take a photo on your own, but instead just upload any photos that are available on Canva and then re-upload it back on Foap and make money. Sounds cool? So stick with me. Okay, so now when you head over to Canva, just go to Discover and just take a look at all these different type of category on the picture, right? For example, I'm going to click on the nature over here. So for your information, Canva is a free, 100% free. So you could literally download it for free and upload it back to Foap.com and start to make money online. Okay, so take a look at here, guys. This is a very powerful picture and very nice picture. Okay, of course it has a free and premium, but do not to worry, because even the free version of picture still powerful enough. Take a look at this one. 42,000 photos, guys. So take a look at all these pictures. This wasn't taken by an amateur photographer, but instead it is a very professional photographer. I'm sorry, my internet connection is a bit low, so it takes some time. All right, so take a look at this picture, guys. You could literally download all this compelling picture and upload it back on Foap and start making money. But one thing I need to remind you, that you need to do some texting, or you need to maybe change the color a bit and etc., because Canva doesn't allow you to simply download all the photos here and upload it without any adjustment, right? So you need to bear in mind for that things. That is really, really important. Otherwise, you're going to break the rules, and I'm afraid you're going to get punishment. All right. So, wow, take a look at the picture. The picture is very powerful. And again, like I told you before, you need to find, this is very powerful too, you need to find something that has some sort of emotion, right? For example, if you're finding like holiday, okay, for example, holiday, okay, holiday, you need to find the picture with at least with people like this, right? But this one is premium. Just sort to the free version. Some picture that has like this one over here means that you know, enjoyment, satisfaction, holiday, you know, something related to holiday. It needs to be the picture needs to have some sort of emotion. That is what going to make the picture stand out, and people more likely going to buy the picture from you, and literally you're going to make money, right? So I hope guys you got some value throughout this video, and give me some thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, right? So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.